Top 5 Best Dishwasher Detergent for Baby Bottles. Puracy Dishwasher Pods. 50 count. Natural dishwasher detergent. Free and clear enzyme-powered automatic dishwasher pod. Spot and residue-free dish tabs. 2-in-1 dishwasher soap and rinse aid in just $19.99. 40 cents per count. Introducing Puracy Dishwasher Pods, the perfect solution for effortless dishwashing. Our 99.5% natural automatic dishwasher pods are designed to work better without pre-rinsing and are developed by biochemists and tested by households nationwide. It's perfect for all dishwasher-safe items, from baby bottles to pots and pans. Our pods dissolve food stains and leave zero residue, while being plant-based, cruelty-free, and biodegradable. Plus, we offer a Pure Love Guarantee, 100% money back if you're not satisfied. Get yours now for just $19.99, 40 cents per count. Seventh generation dishwasher detergent packs for sparkling dishes, free and clear dishwasher tabs, 45 count. Pack of 2 in just $29.74, 33 cents per count. Discover 7th generation dishwasher detergent packs for sparkling dishes, free and clear dishwasher tabs, with a 45 count, pack of 2. Our powerful dishwasher soap is formulated with an enzyme-rich formula that cuts through tough grease and food residue, leaving your dishes sparkling clean, without fragrances, dyes, phosphates or chlorine bleach. Each convenient single-dose dishwasher pack is just tossed right into the dishwasher and is a USDA-certified bio-based product, 83%. Coming in an easy-to-use resealable pouch, these dishwasher tabs ensure you're doing your part for the planet, and for the next 7 generations, with 7th generation dishwasher detergent pods. Attitude Liquid Dish Soap for Baby Products. Tough on milk residue. Hypoallergenic plant and mineral-based formula. Vegan and cruelty-free detergent. Unscented. 23.7 FL Oz in just $5.99. 25 cents per fluoride Oz. Attitude Liquid Dish Soap for Baby Products is a hypoallergenic plant and mineral-based formula. Tough on milk residue and vegan and cruelty-free detergent. This unscented detergent is Ecologo and PETA certified, made with saponin to effectively remove breast milk and formula residue, grease and odors without leaving a film. Get yours today for just $5.99, 25 cents per fluoride Oz, and enjoy healthy cleaning with our reduced environmental impact formula. Baby Ganix Foaming Dish and Bottle Soap. Pump bottle, fragrance-free, 16 ounces, 3-pack. Packaging may vary in just $14.97, 31 cents per fluoride Oz. This Baby Ganix Foaming Dish and Bottle Soap comes in an easy-to-use pump bottle and is fragrance-free. Made with plant-derived cleaning power and other thoughtful ingredients, it can easily remove dried milk, food, grease and gunk. It provides an instant foam, rinses clean, and can be used for everyday dishwashing needs. It is non-irritating to skin, non-allergenic, non-toxic, and baby bottle safe. Pediatrician and dermatologist tested, it is free of SLS, phosphates, phthalate, sulfates, artificial fragrances or dyes, and not tested on animals. Buy this 3-pack for only $14.97, 31 cents per fluoride Oz. Dishwasher Detergent Packs by Dapple Baby. 25 count pouch, pack of 2. Fragrance-free, plant-based and hypoallergenic dishwasher pods. Removes milk residue and odor. Dishes, baby bottles and kitchenware in just $19.98. Introducing the Dishwasher Detergent Packs by Dapple Baby. 25 count pouch, pack of 2. Fragrance-free, plant-based and hypoallergenic dishwasher pods. Removes milk residue and odor. Dishes, baby bottles and kitchenware. Our carefully crafted detergent packs are made with effective and powerful plant-based cleaning and are baby-friendly, made without harsh chemicals. With mindful ingredients and a Clean Label Project Purity Award winner, these hypoallergenic packs are made without added fragrances and are pediatrician and dermatologist tested. With convenient automatic detergent packs, simply pop them in your dishwasher and let them blast away tough residue. Priced at only $19.98, get your dishwasher detergent packs today.